Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best welding machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot on our list is the Femerol 140A 3-in-1 MIG welder. This machine delivers a solid 140A output and supports flux core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it versatile for both DIY enthusiasts and professional welders. Its synergic control system is a standout feature, automatically adjusting voltage and wire feed speed to simplify the welding process for beginners while still offering manual control for experts. The LED digital display is another great addition, allowing users to monitor voltage and current parameters without needing to remove their helmet, enhancing efficiency. In terms of design, the Femerol Welder is compact and lightweight at just 8.9 pounds, making it easy to carry around with its handle or shoulder strap. It includes a full accessory kit that comes ready for use, including a welding helmet, flux cord wire, and essential clamps and holders. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want an all-in-one package. However, the Femerol Welder has a few drawbacks. While it offers a decent output, its customer rating of 3.8 indicates some concerns over reliability and ease of use compared to its competitors. Nevertheless, its portability and versatility make it a solid option for light to medium welding tasks, especially for those on a budget. At number 4, we have the HPO 200-amp Stick Welder, a true budget champion. Priced at just $59.99, this welder offers a surprising amount of functionality for its cost. Featuring a robust 200-amp output and supporting a variety of welding rods, including E6013 and E6010, this machine is perfect for DIY projects, home repairs, and light-duty tasks. Its hot start, arc force, and anti-stick functions enhance the welding experience by ensuring smooth arc initiation and preventing rods from sticking. It's also equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology for stable current and reliable performance. In terms of build quality, the HPO welder is incredibly lightweight and compact, weighing just 3.7 pounds and measuring under 8 inches in length. This makes it one of the most portable welders on the market. Additionally, the package includes 20 welding rods, 2 chip hammers, and a pair of gloves, giving you everything you need to get started right away. The downside is its limited capabilities for thicker materials and more demanding applications. While it's great for beginners and hobbyists, it may struggle with heavier-duty projects. Nevertheless, for under $60, the HPO Stick Welder offers unbeatable value and is ideal for casual welders or those looking for an ultra-portable solution. Coming in at number 3 is the Saker Portable Electric Welding Machine. This 110-volt arc welder boasts a sleek, handheld design that is perfect for portability, weighing just 3.3 pounds. Its advanced IGBT inverter technology provides stable current and compensates for voltage fluctuations, making it highly reliable for welding carbon steel and iron. With a variable current adjustment knob that ranges from 20 to 120 amps. It's versatile enough for home DIY projects, automotive repairs, and light professional use. The build quality is impressive, with a compact design that makes it easy to store or transport. Its intelligent heat dissipation system and 360-degree cooling technology ensure safety and stable performance even during prolonged use. The Saker welder supports 3 inches to 1/8 inch rods and features a hot arc start function for clean, smooth welds, making it beginner-friendly. While the Saker welder delivers in portability and ease of use, it does have limitations in power output compared to higher-priced models. It's best suited for smaller-scale tasks, but might not handle heavy-duty welding. Overall, the Saker Portable Electric Welding Machine strikes a balance between portability and performance, making it ideal for hobbyists and repair enthusiasts. In second place is the Welder 135-amp MIG welder, a high-performing 3-in-1 machine that combines MIG, lift-TIG, and stick welding functionalities. With a powerful 135 amp output, this welder is capable of handling mild steel up to 2/5 inch thick, making it suitable for both light and medium-duty projects. One of its standout features is the synergic control system, which automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed based on your settings, making it ideal for beginners while offering fine-tuning for experienced users. Design-wise, the Welder Flux 135 Pro is lightweight and portable at just 11.4 pounds, and its large LED digital display ensures precise control over welding parameters. The package includes a bonus flux core welding wire, making it ready to use right out of the box without the need for shielding gas. Additional safety features, such as overcurrent and overheating protection, add to its reliability. While this machine offers excellent versatility and safety, its price point of $109.99 is slightly higher than similar models, and it doesn't include accessories like gloves or a helmet. Nevertheless, the Welder 135 amp MIG welder provides exceptional value for its functionality and is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable multi-process welder. Finally, taking the top spot is the best MIG 135A welder, a premium 3-in-1 welding machine that offers unparalleled performance and convenience. With a true 135A output, this welder can handle materials up to 1/8 inch thick, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from DIY enthusiasts to professional workshops. What sets this welder apart is its full accessory kit, which includes a ground clamp, electrode holder, welding gun, auto-darkening helmet, and gloves, giving you everything you need to get started right away. The best MIG welder features cutting-edge digital control technology with an intuitive LED display for real-time monitoring and adjustments. Its integrated wire feeding mechanism ensures precise voltage and feed speed adjustments, reducing spatter and improving the overall quality of welds. The machine is designed for both beginners and seasoned welders, offering automatic parameter adjustments for easy setup while still allowing manual control for advanced users. At $129.99, this welder is the most expensive on the list, but its premium build quality, comprehensive accessory kit, and reliable performance justify the cost. Whether you're working on stainless steel, carbon steel, or thicker metals, the best MIG 135A welder is a top-tier choice that delivers excellent results for any welding project. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.